Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about the marquee tag in the HTML. The marquee tag defines a scrolling text area in the HTML document that moves across the page in horizontal or vertical direction. By default, the text found within the marquee tag will scroll from right to left. Now let us open the notepad and start typing the document type HTML and thereafter the opening tag of the HTML and closing HTML tag. So which creates the HTML document, and in between opening and closing HTML tag use the opening head and closing head tag, and in between opening and closing head tag there is a opening title tag. Type the name, say use of marquee tag, and close the title tag. So this is going to display on the title bar of our browser. Next will be the body section, opening body tag and closing body tag. This is the actual part of our web page. Whatever we write in between opening closing body tag is going to appear on the web page. Let us use the marquee tag, marquee space behavior equals to, in double quote, scroll. The behavior is scroll. The direction is equals to left, and scroll amount means the number of times the movement of the particular text. So scroll amount is 1. It is very slow. Close the marquee tag, and then just I am decreasing a font size so that you can understand easily. Okay, this is one line of marquee. The next one more marquee tag I am using, marquee behavior equals to opening double quotation scroll, closing double quotation. Next direction attribute equals to, the direction is left. We can make right also. A scroll amount, so I will increase the scroll amount to 10. So it is fast compared to the first line, so it will be the faster. So closing marquee tag, use one more marquee, just I am copying and pasting it, and changing the scroll amount to 20. So it is fast compared to the previous two. Okay, let us have one more marquee. So change it, the scroll amount to 50. I'd say it is a very lightning fast. Okay, so lightning fast. So like this we have 4 lines, and each line scroll amount is varying. 1 is very slow, 10 is fast, 20 is fast, and 50 is lightning fast. Okay, so I'm using marquee BG color. So BG color stands for background color equals to pink. Okay, behavior is slide, direction equals to left in double quote. Okay, so say the text is HTML slide in text and close the marquee tag. Okay, so close the marquee tag. Use one more marquee. BG color equals to, in double quote, yellow. Behavior equals to slide, or say alternative. Okay, so alternate in double quote, the direction equals to, in double quote, left. Okay, and loop is empty. I am not specifying the loop value, so it will be empty. Okay, so I am just typing alternate and closing the marquee tag. Closing the marquee tag. So go to save option and save the file with marquee.html on desktop. Click on save, minimize the document, go to desktop. You can find marquee file, just open that marquee file, and now you can see the result. Okay, the first line is very slow, next is bit fast, third is very fast, fourth is lightning fast, and fourth and fifth are the slide in text and alternative. So slide in text will stop once it reaches the left side. Okay, now you can see this line, whereas this alternative will continuously display. Okay, so when I refresh, the lines are coming, the HTML slide in text will stop here and alternative will continue. So alternative, if I specify the loop, the number of loops which I specify in double quotation, so it loops